Yeah, mate, yeah. No, honestly, mate, next time, come to the skate park. It was a lot of fun. I actually fully can ollie now as well.
Mad.
Yeah, pretty good. I'm just gonna get some design work done because I've got quite a bit to do. So, yeah, you're down to go pets at home later?
Yeah, lad.
Yeah, alright, sick, mate, sick. Alright, well, I'll speak to you later. Just gotta get this, like, client work done.
Yeah.
Alright?
See you later, yeah?
Yeah, alright, see you, mate.
See you, innit, yeah?
Bye. Lucky enough for me, I actually already have the document open, the Saffron Barker banner. I was actually working on this earlier before I went to the skate park, and I actually managed to get a lot done. So all I need to really do is add some color correction. I've got to add some camera raw filter effects because a lot of people have been using that recently, and apparently it works really great improving the colors of the design. So yeah, let's go ahead and mess around with some of the effects. I'm going to go to color adjustments here, and first of all, a contrast. You can't go wrong with a contrast. So let me go ahead, increase that there. We're going to put that to 18. What else do we need to do? We need to add some curves. Let's add curves. I'm going to increase the top one here. There we go. This is looking really nice now. Also decrease this bottom one here. This is just a really simple color correction, to be fair. You can add this on anything. Let's add a hue and saturation layer. I believe increasing the saturation a little bit more is going to make it look good, and it certainly does. I'm really liking the look of this. I'm actually really liking the look of this design here now. I wish I finished it off before earlier, but yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and group all of these layers together. I'm also going to crop it so it does fit the correct size. Let me cut off the border. There we go. And now we can go ahead and add the camera raw filter adjustments, which is going to hopefully make it improve a lot more. And then once it's done, we can go ahead and save it. And once it's saved, we can post it on Twitter. I'm honestly so gassed. All right, let's go to filter, camera raw filter. What the? No. No. For f***'s sake, Photoshop! Oh! Yeah. Stupid thing!
James, what on earth is wrong?
Yes, come in.
What's wrong?
Alright, so I got halfway through a design. Well, I almost finished the design.
Did you save it?
Photoshop crashed.
Well, unplug it and start again.
Oh yes, because I just can't unplug my PC, turn it back on, and it will just be there.
Where are you going? James, where are you going?
Well, I'm sorting it out, aren't I? This ain't a happy face.
What are you doing?
Open up.
Well, that's not going to help.
You think it still works?